Remove a prefix from a string. I am trying to do the following in a clear Pythonic way. This gives, which is not what I was expecting, extensions. Obviously, stupid me, because I have used toStrip wrongly. toStrip will remove all characters which appear in the past chars string, not considering that string as a real string, but as a set of characters to remove from the beginning of the string. Is there a standard way to remove a substring from the beginning of a string? For Python 3.9+. For older versions, the following provides the same behavior.
Short and sweet.
What about this, a bit late?
Reject solution. The best way is the solution by it. Elazar, this is just for fun.
I think you can use methods of the str type to do this. There's no need for regular expressions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.